Hello everybody, it's me, and on this Windgoo video we're going to be replacing the tyre because it's gone a bit flat. I did replace it once already with a Puncture repair, but that's not worked. So we're going to do it again, and we're going to replace the actual inner tube this time, and this is how we're going to do it. Okay. And we're going to get a 5mm Allen key, and then we're going to take it off. Take off the caliper. That's that out of the way. And then at this point, I'm going to take the tyre off. Last time I did not take the tyre off at this point, and it was very, very difficult. And I did turn it over the other way last time, but that also did not work too well, purely because it was upside down and there's no real handlebars to speak of to rest it against. So, like you would do a normal just bike, got most of that off there. There we go. So, I've got most of the tyre off. There we go. And now we can remove the inner tube. Ah, look, it's stuck. What do we do? That's where we get the spanner that we need. This one here. Just crack it off. Loosen it off here. On the other side. Go off on the other side. Loosen it off. Just enough so we can then take the wheel out. Inner tube out like that. There we go. One inner tube. Pop it up. Oh. So actually another hole over the other repair that we've done. So someone made a good point and said, if I bet it's the same hole, I bet it's a different one. So there's a 12.5 times 2.25. That's what I'm going to need. So I'm going to need to go and buy that. Just checking inside. Right, there we go. Here's our tyre. Let's go get ourselves a new one.